Exercise plays a crucial role in weight loss, serving as a vital component of a comprehensive approach to setting excess pounds and maintaining a healthy weight. While diet is often considered the most critical factor in weight loss, exercise complements dietary changes and offers unique benefits that are essential for sustainable results. This video will explore the importance of exercise for weight loss, highlighting its multifaceted role in the journey toward a healthier body. First, caloric expenditure and metabolic rate. The fundamental principle of weight loss is creating a caloric deficit where the number of calories burned exceeds the number of calories consumed. Exercise is a powerful tool in achieving this deficit because it increases the number of calories the body burns throughout the day. Different forms of exercise such as cardiovascular activities, strength training, and high-intensity interval training contribute to caloric expenditure in varying ways. Cardiovascular exercise like running, cycling, walking are particularly effective for burning calories. These activities elevate the heart rate and keep the body in motion for extended periods, resulting in a significant expenditure of energy. For example, running at a moderate pace can burn approximately 300 to 400 calories per hour, depending on a person's weight and intensity of the workout. Strength training, although less focused on immediate calorie burn, plays a critical role in weight loss by increasing muscle mass. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. Therefore, by building muscle through resistance training, individuals can boost their resting metabolic rate, leading to more calories being burned even when they are not actively exercising. This long-term increase in metabolic rate makes weight loss more sustainable and prevents the weight from returning after it has been lost. Appetite regulation and hormonal balance. Exercise also influences weight loss through its effect on effective appreciations of regulations and hormonal balance. Regular physical activity can help regulate appetite by modulating the hormones responsible for hunger and satiety. For instance, exercise has been shown to increase levels of peptide, a hormone that suppresses appetite, and reduce levels of ghrelin, a hormone that stimulates hunger. This hormonal shift can make it easier to control food intake and avoid overeating, which is crucial for maintaining a caloric deficit. Moreover, exercise helps in managing stress and reducing levels of cortisol, a hormone associated with fat accumulation, particularly in the abdominal region. High levels of cortisol can lead to weight gain and make it challenging to lose weight, especially in the midsection. By engaging in regular physical activity, individuals can lower their cortisol levels, reducing stress-related weight gain and making it easier to achieve their weight loss goals. There are psychological benefits and motivation too. Beyond the physical aspects, exercise provides significant psychological benefits that contribute to weight loss success. Regular exercise has been linked to improved mood, reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety, and enhanced self-esteem. These psychological benefits are crucial in maintaining motivation and adherence to a weight loss program. When individuals feel better mentally and emotionally, they are more likely to stick to their exercise routine and make healthier dietary choices, both of which are essential for sustained weight loss. Exercise also fosters a sense of accomplishment and empowerment, reinforcing positive behaviors and creating a feedback loop that encourages continued effort. For many people, the sense of progress and achievement gained from regular physical activity can be a powerful motivator to keep going, even when the weight loss journey becomes challenging. So, exercise is a vital component of any effective weight loss strategy. It aids in creating a calorie deficit, increased metabolic rate, regulates appetite and hormones, and provides essential psychological benefits that support long-term success. While diet is undoubtedly crucial, incorporating regular physical activity into a weight loss plan enhances results and makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight over time. By embracing exercise as a central part of the weight loss journey, individuals can achieve the goals more effectively and enjoy the main health benefits that come with an active lifestyle.